Fritz Haber, the man who killed millions, received Nobel Prize for saving billions, but why? Well, here is why. Most common element of any life on Earth is nitrogen. Our bodies get nitrogen from plants, and plants get nitrogen from soil. Farming on the same soil year after year eventually left the soil devoid of nitrogen. Without nitrogen, plants would become stunted and discolored, and their leaves would turn yellow. They would be unable to produce new growth, and their overall health would be compromised. This would ultimately result in lower crop yields, which would have a significant impact on food production and supply. Fritz Haber, a German chemist who invented the Haber-Bosch process, a method for synthesizing ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. This process revolutionized agriculture by allowing for the mass production of nitrogen-based fertilizers, which greatly increased crop yields and helped to feed a growing global population. This is how Haber's invention saves 8 billion people lives today. However, Haber's work also had a darker side. During World War I, Patriot Haber decided to use his expertise in the war, and just as good fertilizer ammonium nitrate is also a good explosive. Recent Beirut blast is also an example of that. Haber lobbied to convert the factories using his process to make ammonia for his fertilizer to create nitrate for explosive. The use of chemical weapons during World War I resulted in horrific casualties, with an estimated 100,000 soldiers dying from gas-related injuries and illnesses. He was also involved in the development of Zyklon B, a cyanide-based pesticide that was later used by the Nazis in their gas chambers during the Holocaust. While Haber's invention of the Haber-Bosch process had positive impacts on agriculture and food production, his involvement in the development and deployment of chemical weapons led to the deaths of millions of people and had a lasting impact on the world.